Okay, so today, this is not today, but this is part 5, I think. And I'm gonna be cutting now. My friend, her name is Leah, and my name is DJ. DJ. And me, say hi.
Hi.
And look, OMG, that's hers.
Tastes so good.
Yeah, she tried a little nibble and her little butt is gonna be busted.
Whoopsies.
And then I can just pretend like I did not even cut it and say,
Yeah,
Mommy,
guys.
look. Like and subscribe for part 5.
Bye.
Part 6, I meant. Because it's gonna be